Meet Qwen3-Omni, one AI that understands photos, audio, and video. It analyzes images, transcribes audio, and interprets video frames instantly. Open the Qwen3-Omni web demo to try multimodal inputs in your browser. The interface has 3 tabs: photo, audio, and video. Each tab offers a simple UI with scribble-style callouts and quick tips. Now, let's demo each input step by step. Photo: upload or drag an image and get object detection and editing suggestions. Audio: upload or record, then get fast transcriptions and sound labels. Video: upload a clip, review extracted frames, captions, and scene summaries. Type targeted prompts like "what happens at 12 seconds" for precise answers. Download transcripts, annotated media, or share results, secure web processing supported. Try Qwen3-Omni on the web now, upload a file and explore multimodal AI.